welcome back to another video, and y'all see what's on the table. Y'all know what time it is. It's time for my unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 11. Now this particular iPhone is an iPhone that I picked up from Straight Talk via SmartPay, okay? And this is a device that we're going to put through our 2-year-long review process. Yes, that's right. So I'll be coming out with the full review and regular update videos, along with a follow-up / wrap-up video once the 2-year review cycle is done. Alright, that means that I did pick this up on the SmartPay payment program, and I got this for a really great deal. Now, full retail, when everything is all said and done, this iPhone 11 here, which is a 64 gigabyte model, is going to run me $299, basically 300 bucks. But SmartPay broke that down into 24 monthly payments of $16 and change. Alright, so this is only going to cost me $16 a month. Alright? Alright. Now, that being said, y'all know I had to get me some protection, so I went with an oldie but a goodie here. We got the JETech case for the iPhone 11. Alright? Alright? And y'all know I got the black iPhone 11, so y'all know I like blue and black. That's why the channel logo is the color that it is. So I got the clear case with the blue trim. So hopefully this should look fire when I put it all together. That being said, I did already go through the initial setup process. I already signed into my Apple account, set up my Face ID, and I started restoring my applications from my iPhone XS. And in all honesty, y'all, I'm probably not going to keep this iPhone XS because I got the iPhone 11. And I know just the person to give this to. Alright? So this is probably going to be the last time y'all see the iPhone XS on video, because I already got a person lined up that I'm going to surprise them with this device, and this device is fully unlocked, so it should work on whatever carrier they use, and hopefully they will be nicely surprised, because it is in pretty much mint condition. Let me show y'all. Now this is a little dirty, but let me show y'all. It's still in mint condition. Alright, because I take really good care of my devices. Now they do get dirty and sweaty because y'all know I be in the gym all day, every day. So it does get dirty and sweaty. But y'all can see it's still in mint condition. It's just a little dirty. I'm going to clean it up. I got my toothbrush on deck. I got my microfiber cleaning cloths on deck. We're going to clean it up. It's going to look brand new when I give it to them. Alright, so hopefully they'll be nice and pleasantly surprised, and it should serve them well for some years to come. Because aside from the fact that the battery health is now at 79%, everything is still working flawlessly on this iPhone XS. Alright, so let's drop this back in the case. I'm going to clean that up off camera and do that factory reset and all that jazz off camera. But let's get into what y'all came to see, the unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 11 and the JETech case for the iPhone 11. So let's do the phone first. Now, gotta tell y'all, Apple packaging has gotten mad simple indeed. So y'all can see lifting the lid. I already took all the plastic off because I told y'all I went through the initial setup already. So let's put the lid off to the side. Alright. Take the phone out. Okay, here's the phone. I'm gonna rest that down, and y'all see we just get our Apple stickers. Okay, so designed by Apple in California, and we get our USB-C to Lightning cable. Now I already have some high quality USB-C to Lightning cables, so we're not gonna use that. Put that back in the box, and we don't really care about this paperwork and stickers. Not gonna use that, but this bad boy was thin, man. All right, let's box this back up. Put the cover back on here. All right, that was a thin box, man. Thin, real thin. All right, let's rest this off to the side. Let's do a quick walk around of the phone. So y'all can see up front here, we got a 6.1 inch IPS LCD display, okay? Then we have the Face ID module up here. Y'all can see it scanning for my face. And we have a 12 megapixel front facing camera up there. Then down at the bottom, we have our microphones and one of our stereo speakers set up. So we have one bottom firing speaker and then one front firing speaker coming out the receiver grill for our stereo speaker setup, and our lightning charging port. Flipping it to the side, we got our power key / Siri key and our SIM card slot. Okay, so with iPhones, you don't get any micro SD card expansion, you just get onboard storage. And as I said, this is a 64 gigabyte model of the iPhone 11. Okay, so that's one side. We got our volume rockers up and down and our mute slider switch on the other side. Nothing up at the top, looking real clean and crispy. On the back, we got a dual 12 megapixel camera setup. We got a primary 12 megapixel setup and an ultra wide 12 megapixel setup, and they can both record in up to 4K at 60 FPS. Let me mute this because my other SIM is in here and it unmuted when I took the case off, so let me mute that. Sorry about that, y'all. Alright, so we got a dual 12 megapixel camera setup and our flash, and you can see it has more of the modern design. Okay, alright, and then we got the Apple logo back there. And then as y'all can see, if I fire it up, let me open it up, y'all can see I already got my Straight Talk Verizon SIM activated here. So that's what y'all see up here in the corner. That symbolizes Straight Talk Verizon right there. Let me unlock this just so y'all can see. And y'all can see it is still restoring my applications. So my battery widget is restored. My Google Health step counter is coming up. Alright. And then we're still installing some applications here. But for the most part, it's about done. Okay? It's about done. Okay? And then this is the pre-installed applications that came on the iPhone 11 here. Okay? I'll probably remove most of those, because y'all know we don't use anything we don't use on iPhone, we can just uninstall. Alright? But that's pretty much it. Okay? So everything here is all set up. Let's rest the phone down. Let's check out the case and see how it looks on the device, and then we're going to wrap the video up. Now, as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick the devices up that I featured in this video, along with the case, will be linked up down below in the video description, and those are affiliated links, meaning that I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So all links will be available down below in the video description if your interest is piqued. But let's keep going here. So y'all have seen me review JETech cases in the past. Very similar packaging, so y'all can see it's just labeled very simply up front. JETech for the iPhone 11. Pretty much simple cell phone case. Okay, so you have your drop protection, you got your scratch protection. Now, I didn't get a screen protector for this one because, in all honesty, I've been using the 10S without a screen protector since I got it, and it's still pristine. And I've had this bad boy in and out of my pockets with my keys, in the gym, still pristine. I try to take really good care of my devices. I just add the case to make sure that the device itself and the frame is protected. But for the iPhones, I feel as though I don't need a screen protector. So didn't get a screen protector for this one. So let's crack into this. Okay, pull this bad boy out. Whoops. And our thank you card went flying. So you can see our warranty card is here. Alright, and make sure y'all follow JETech across all the social medias here. Okay, put that off to the side. Alright, and here's the case. Let me take out the foam packaging. Alright, boom. Drop that off to the side and let's see. Let's see. Okay, so y'all can see, got that clear in the middle with the blue around the sides, and yes, this adds much needed grip around the sides. So y'all can see we got that dark blue, okay, kind of like ocean blue, and we got all our cutouts for the charging port and the mics, cameras on the back, buttons fully protected, mute slider here, good to go. All right, let me give this a quick wipe down. Where is my cloth? Here it is. Can't believe I got lint on it just that quick after taking it out the package. Let me wipe that down real fast. Okay, that's gonna have to do. And let's drop it on the device and see how it looks. So putting it in here. Just that easy. Slots right in. Jesus. Got dirty back there quick. Hold on. Hold on. Killing me already. Killing me already. It got dirty on the back of the device just from resting it on my table. And I thought my table was clean. Cleaned off the table before I started the video. But these wooden tables, man, they get all types of dust on them very quickly. So I'm pretty sure there's dust on the table that I can't see. Clean that device off. Okay. Clean that case off again. Alright. Alright, let's try this again. And of course, I got dust on the back just that quick. Put it back on. Alright, pops right on. Clean it off one more time. I can already see that this clear case is going to be driving me crazy because these fingerprints going to be driving me crazy, but as long as the device is fully protected, we'll be all right. Okay? So, here's how it looks on the device. Now, it looks a lot better on camera than what it looks like in real life because I'm seeing a lot of fingerprints and stuff here. But, y'all can see it fits perfectly on the iPhone 11. Got the perfect cutouts for the cameras. Okay? Nice raised lip on the cameras there, as y'all can see. Nice raised lip. Nice raised lip around the whole display. Okay? Got our cutouts for the volume slider here. Fully protected volume rockers. Fully protected power button. And we're good to go. So if I rest it down, we're not scratching up the camera lenses. Let me get this out of here. We're not scratching up the camera lenses. We're not scratching up the back of the device. And if I put it on the front, the display is fine. So it's a very similar case to this right here. Okay? Except for this one, it's like a frosted black, so it's kind of frosted. That way you can't really see the fingerprints, but around the sides is very grippy, and that's what I want. And with this one, I thought it would be cool to go with the clear, but I could see, I'm gonna be able to see all the dust particles and everything, so I might pick up another case that's not clear, but I do like the grip around the sides. This makes it very grippy and not as slippery. But first impressions with the iPhone 11 here, I think this is gonna be phenomenal. Honestly, using the iPhone XS for as long as I have been, it's been phenomenal. And the iPhone XR before that has been phenomenal. And the user interface, y'all, is basically the same. So it was a beautiful experience over here on the XS. It's going to be, let me unlock this, swipe up for y'all. It's going to be a beautiful experience over here on the iPhone 11. All we're really getting here with the iPhone 11 is we should get better battery life because we have a lower quality display in the IPS LCD, but we have a bigger battery versus the smaller battery and smaller display, but this was an OLED display on the XS. Okay, so we should get better battery life. We have a bigger display. Technically, we should have better cameras, and the really cool thing is now we have a primary 12 megapixel and an ultra wide. So this is a perfect companion to go along with the S10e that I've also been using, because the S10e has a similar primary camera setup. So it has a primary camera and an ultra-wide camera, and now I have an iPhone with a primary camera and an ultra-wide camera, and y'all know I'm big on ultra-wide shots, so it is what it is. So this should be a really, really enjoyable experience as I push all types of buttons, not turning the display off. But first impressions, I'm liking this blue and clear, but I'm not liking the dust that it's picking up now, and the fingerprints. Ooh, man, I'm not liking the fingerprints either. Okay, yeah, I might definitely have to pick up another case. But that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for this video. Now, my full review on this one, do I even really need to make a full review on this? Okay, yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it, because I only really did a camera video on this. Nah, you know what? I'll just do a camera video on this one. If y'all want me to do a full review, I will, but in all honesty, y'all, it's an iPhone. The software is pretty much the same as any other iPhone. Really, what you're getting with your iPhone is you're getting the upgraded internals and the upgraded cameras. That's pretty much it. The iPhone software is pretty much universal across any iPhone. What you're doing when you get a new iPhone is you're just getting better internals and better cameras. So I am gonna try and do a camera video, but I might not do a full review, but I will do follow-up videos if I run into any issues, and we will have a 2-year follow-up / wrap-up, letting y'all know how the iPhone 11 has held up over the 2-year review process. So we will do that, but we may or may not do an overall full review because it's an iPhone. But if y'all want me to, I will. Let me know down below. Y'all know all feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. Okay? That being said, that does it for this one. As always, I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all found it helpful. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Okay? As always, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. As I said earlier, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can get an iPhone XS or an iPhone 11 at a really great price, including the recommended accessories y'all see in the video, all the affiliated bio links will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? This whole video here today has been recorded with the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This has been recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. Y'all know how that goes. All your feedback is appreciated and welcome. Alright, I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.